Hey YouTube, I'm switching out the hubcaps on the 91 Geo Metro today. I'll show you how to remove the hubcaps and install the new ones. I like using a screwdriver like a flathead, it just makes it easier. Nice and now we have the hubcap. And then you have that ring. The ring, let's see, this part goes toward the bottom. So I'll lay it flat. Where the valve stem is, that's where you want to position it. And you just so you want the wheel or the ring to align with these notches or tabs, and then you have that part like that. Okay. Go ahead and you can tap on it or whatever. Just like that, and it snaps right into place. And I like to tap it a bit more just to, make sure it's nice and snug. So that's one. Let's get the other one on this side. Got the back wheel here. And then just like before, I mean, you could pull it, but you could, I don't know, it might break. Let's see. This one's a little harder to get off for some reason. It's like really snugged in there. Huh. They probably had these on here for a long time. They're just old and who knows what else. But yeah, screwdriver, if you don't mind. It could damage the old hubcaps, but I have some new ones, so not that big of a deal. Huh. This one's really on here. Yeah, it's really. Huh. Let's see if I can pull it out. Yeah, this hubcap is really tight. So let's see if I can manage to get it out. Perfect. I'll just have to break it off. And there we go. It's like dry rotted or something. Everything just breaks off so easily. Huh. Alright, now we go with the second hubcap. Let's see. Put the ring down this way. I think these hubcap are just overall better looking than the ones I bought the car with. And I wish they had the factory Geo, but they're just so hard to find, and online they're very expensive, so just went with these. They don't look bad at all. So you can also turn the ring if needed, just to line up the valve stem here. So valve stem there. I always slightly tap corners, and it always falls into place like that. That second hubcap on. Let's see how we're looking. Wow, looking better already. Check this side out. Got the old ones on. You tell me which ones you like better. So there's that one. They're just so old. See? They're like dry rotted. Here it's, Arizona, everything that's plastic likes to becomes brittle. There we go. Got that one off. And now we get this one. So look for the valve stem, go down like this. Clip everything in. Then you go and look for that one. Just like that. These are nice and soft. There we go on that one. Now we go to the side over here. Let me go get that other hubcap. Yeah, I'm using that new tripod I got in that last video, and I love it. It helps me out. Otherwise I can't do this. See how they just break so easily? They're just like very, they're tight. This one's already cracked, and I didn't even try taking that off before. They all have cracks in them. It's that time. Just like that. I should probably clean these, but I'll have to do that in another video. Even paint them, Now we get this wheel cover, and go ahead and insert the ring, just like that, in each one of the tabs. Those chickens or roosters like to do that all day. Just like that. And locate the valve stem. This is how I've always inserted my hubcaps. I don't know if there's a better way to do it, but that's how I've always done them. So now we get a good overview of the hubcaps, and wow, it's made a difference already just in the wheel covers. thanks for watching. That's all to it.